Here's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. It's the fine touches that make ordinary things great, and it's apparent in the hand finishes and subtle details that there's greatness here. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic suspension management, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes ride quality is exceptionally compliant with the standard setup of steel springs and conventional dampers. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.